shasra for atade.
Hey, Obabra me se me ho kura dwure me. Eye school bi obi di ho adanse kire me o. Enene asesa me baya brobo yi. Se wa twere wasi so hwe ya twere. Na se wuntwa bomodi na kopie mu o.
Hey, na school ben kwa no no.
Eye Great Omega Academy.
Great dien.
Great Omega Academy. A na chiri kwan no wo ko forudua kokura ntumi. Apue mantemu he ya.
Sa epue mantem he ya. Number da ben.
Obabra me se school yi eba ye enyene. Se wo na wotutua so nko ade a wo twere so hwe a wutwa. Omoye courses ni bi ti say general arts, visual arts, business, home economics, general science, and afi technical. Baby a obeda so podie. E mane nyi wadwendwe school no hostel kese e won mo de amasuafo.
Unia ene fa me ko hono men.
Ewra ji pani kwa kirefo ne number na friend na ji mu nkiremu. E 0243 21 47 20 ana 0543 90 9502. Great Omega Academy. Impossible is possible.
Classic ointment aye bio kromu hafo pa na dodo no a ehunama toso fefefe sei.
Classic ointment se de si enam no se ka se ye ka ho asoma ka de ba chi ni nwie ye kan fa manfo no won mo ya so mre kopa bie de se ekro ne na gu wo mo a ekọ de na pimples ase nanim ekọ.
Classic ointment
de na eyam atoto no ho ama ekọ obi na propro ha no ekọ.
Ointment ne powerful pa.
Hwe ingredients ya wode ye classic ointment no ebi ne aloe vera, papaya, petroleum jelly, cassia alata. Honam na ni ba bia ekro pimples eyam ana propro aguo no. Enu ane se anopa ne nwumre bia wadware wie no. Wode classic ointment no bi ebesere mu. Na be hu se yes, ointment papa bi o ba bi.
Me the classic ointment esiesie me ho ama age me se enye nanso pharmacies, chemical ne herbal shops.
Ane titru wo hene na herbal koforudua. Frisia ba ko and Kumasi Edu, Urepash Heba, Okaishi Akra, Netufo so afre 0544 791 600 and 0500 799 833.
FDA agi ejedi nkratu yato.
Hey, where do you drone your word rampa? Or sister don't pay bow. A drone ye dear shimmy ma coming we say, share, and then ye yaw for when you yo. If you say few to ya, won't to ye biom, said your Mrs. Ye Gina Sopa, the Moya trainer no. Where do your sister don't pampa? Ya don't pay heba center. Ye nimo datano, and Akofa or sister don't pay bam diaba. Ejuma dimbe na waya. Ama hunemu ya. So a cover ball, Emma uneme boo. We ye walkway Jimebi, Emma Hunam Yinaya, would the Anisomania or Sister don't pay bam nippy, and Yama Mason for a driver for any Jume be away. So go to Gemunario, waposo, Sasabro and Etetewa, and I am po, so sa, anasa or nine efrichi, what the Anisa would each you are free to go, and no bishawa, or say no pain now, so I just so no pain. Nemo Shannon to say Yadia be a how nititre any who don't pay mu Yadia piano. What about me PM don't pay herbal center? I don't know our Akimota. Go filling station, one more. Or sister don't pay by me, and yet now I will memo pharmacy shops, drugstores, and also herbal store BMO. Whoop do tour. Don't pay herbal center. I will doom Kumase. Akimota Nimpatemoso. I will don't pay herbal center. And then go filling station no ever pay. Baby any afraid 0545 720913 or Sisri don't pay Bob. No pain, no pain.
Malaria ya banana druna bo tenate. Fix herbal, the fix mala mixture. Wa boni pitu, wa boni bede. Na otu malaria se prekupe na aba. Se wuti yo wenu mato. Wa powder nsisi wiye. Akọ hospital ana akọ test ma wo se enya malaria. Ma malaria nzi unye bio. For fix mala mixture na obama wa pomuzin prekupe. Kwa drugstore ana pharmacy shop na benya fix mala mixture ato. Na se pendudu etwa ko fix herbal wo adenta kantamanso. Ana frɛ 020-844-4442. 020-844-4442. Fix mala mixture dri. Obi a wenyin san. Anaruma bofraba enufu. Ana bofraba onzi mfidwe bien mfa. Fix mala mixture. Enkratu yi FDA apenodo.
Shasra for atade.
Hey, Obabra me se me ho kura dwure me. Eye school bi obi di ho adanse kire me o. Enene asesa me baya brobo yi. Se wa twere wasi so hwe ya twere. Na se wuntwa bomodi na kopie mu o.
Hey, na school ben kwa no no.
Eye Great Omega Academy.
Great dien.
Great Omega Academy. Adami, a natural kwan walk for your cokrantumi, a poor man temuheya.
Sir, a poor man tem here. No bad bang.
Obabra Mrs. Sukui, a buyer enyane, see a woo, no to Trasun Quadia, or Trosa, which are my causes.
Michi Woody saw ya Jenina, Sutum for
yo, man no masan bio.
Mamma, a dear bra,
A chidi heba mixture.
I feel no one, a true winner, none of me dead them have to me sorry. Menom ya, with me a sorry. Sadly, Sir Ohonam Ayawaya, and I said, Ebia, open a new booster, nip a drum and a church. One of my ultimate solid procompe, a 2 years. Almost saying a war, it couldn't be heba mixture, or beer or war stomach pains. Also, and I said, ultimately, menstrual disorder, menstrual pains. A dra, a timid the pa, I couldn't be heba mixture.
Ah, na drum you know when Kwan or Moye.
Debbie, ya debia a hobia. Omo and what drew ever.
Manu Moya me want Tommy, me person me call me one more for him.
Kwasi do have a center for ewo akim asubua eho and obehu opebiata drasto bia ewo feature pharmacy shop herbal shop bia bebi ewo ho akim asubua main station ope kwajo drasto ebi wo ho sanso na Cecilia aka nkwantanum oda ubenya bi wo na twimasi drasto Madalena Hotel Aseope Papa ya meka na sem oyodifo ankasebu enti se wo sunsumu amane sunsumu ha fakodan kwakuase edu heba center and prayer camp na we yade e be free so anase wo be fro difo kwasha e wa homa we so 0545 595070 and 0247 037564 kwakuase edu heba center nubra ene hahama fie ene
Hey, Quaku, a man, you don't want to sacra.
And yes, okay.
And to them to no crack. And Jawadu, I won't hear some amper watching. And I must in Sano. Some amper watch set with this should be filmed. Say, your mamma, or papa, or bar, Bema, Penny, and Aquada, or the Nuka dance some amper watch. Ah, won't you see can we cry? One best yes, Nipano, Akran and Kakranka, craft a fair fuck on a corner. I'm obey you woman or the Hoa North Resa. Virgins of you. And in cheerful. Say, wow, this should be filmed. Make and put some amper watching. I'm on say, a home and in the right place. I saw the Shanuko. A sense saying, I am some anybody of him no wish I want to Tom see a bay away. I am watching and I don't question. And only some amper watch and phone in Trebia. I'll be you dish and no sansry and I'm a coin on Befas was yes in the Pediano when you bet Jickety. Some amper watching. I want more from Junction. Wabra would do an yatre at Chim Asantiman. Bonso sending Faswa. You treat and fita. A worship. I also so come on. Me patrodia from Okeke. I was 0208 360 and now say 0550 420 202. Some amper mochra na. Ni pedianu be you no. Na otisa your satias ya moja din mo frisani. Me say some amper mochra na. Rest as you live.
Adwuma me mamo ayiko ya na former way master me wa ha na nanu cement me kotoma mo se mo fanya adwuma no sai na former uhu cement no
oh master wunim ade papa
that's right
unisam cement okofa ba ye no se wo total so se wo ba price no se wo twa blocks so se wo to blocks so ama adwuma ye mbre
unisam cement that's dramatic so we mason we labourer we foreman na so pesa adwuma ye fe ya kono na gina painting dia that is the product unisam cement your bottom and a paper mu die
na so bi pe cement papa say ya ehemfa no be bi ato
so we pe unisam cement bi ato e wa chim dan ni patam ha we be ko some cheese enterprise your amantra ya ni Dukes filling station and di ehwani mu fly 0243 583 190 and 0540 659 865 so we amazing and now foreman na udi enipa beto cement babru 50 bags so a ye chewade free some chi enterprise and di aba achim dan amantra ya ni Dukes filling station edi ehwani mu
na me say every bra me hu wo the bia we are active very strong and energetic
we are 100% na ni nyina ne sade me hwe me ni padua sofa na de boa me mama hoden mama timi ko bada ene tabia zanika heba mixture
tabia zanika heba mixture ah what the one dance ya chere me
ho dance ya de enya wonko me de dawure na ato so na media chere ni pampempem tabia zanika heba mixture ma to ne de nyame ama sa wonoma emenkwamu a ewo ni padua no mu a ye fra mu asoja for ɛyɛ white blood cells na hoden enti nipadua nya hoden sonko kutia yare ahodo bebre enti wonta nyare enti na da me strong no ɛyɛ general well-being of the body enti ɛyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ nipadua na kwa no mu ba bia
me ya metumi hu ɛne ɛsɛ busua bia
ɛyɛ busua nkyɛmfa sɛ obi de ne ho to taa bia zenika heba mesa so a ɛden sɛ ɔbɛyare na nya na ɛwɔ ba bia tonto aduro bia hyɛ ne nso sɛ obi a onya mfinhyia dumienu apemfoɔ ɛne abaatan a ɔma ɔmanofoɔ ɛntimi no bi FDA ahwehwɛ saa adwadeɛ nkratoɔ mu agye atumi sɛ ɛyɛ.
You see, there are men who are really ready to marry. Or sika woni bibia. Nenso, akoba, Joe, Metra, I love you can't anything. Also your bar, who have feye. Nenso, a mema nemba. Last year, Odon Tabain on Ahenkan FM was really interesting. This year, you're spicing it up with Odo Interbind Dating Arena. Onda, inti say wire crowd so pesa ware. Bra Ahenkan FM, bepeke forms. Shayin oba ope, shayin berema ope. Na jai ejuma na akanomaye. Na ye best sort it out. Yampan kwara, if it's a yen din kwala grow. Age rate, 25 years and above. Odo Interbind Dating Arena. Yabe boa na wonya that perfect man or perfect woman. Na wa shenikawa.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti.
The angel of love. Honey, me
How we down? ohuni yetia mutiamun ora siminko yagi siminko bo afeidia ohuni yetia mutiamun ora siminko we brody siminko dosa adua da beja yakaya na mentio Nemijina kunuo Anwa yadichisia Yembetio Nemijina kunuo
All don't sound you me pancho It's rough for me see here Now Mary or some me watching me na dear I'll do you
Sechi, and Sana, we mind you. Hadringi, Munisio, before some years. Oh, Victoria, see what I say. Siga send ya boy, what is your baby, Bianca? And me went to her. The one ya brother, nearly that you. Payami Bonise, Krata Semi, I shall not, baby. Didn't Satu, yes. Video Bonia to Penatifi. Payami Bonise, I ready for congratulate. Media for you. Maybe all don't come over. Maybe all that TV. Maybe all don't come over. Oh, baby. Maybe all don't come over. Maybe all that TV. Yeah, come some of that for me. No my daily. Hot to be jam, see ya. Hot to be jam, you come, see ya.
This is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti.
Someone has given me an assignment to do for him. He says he's actually looking for a girlfriend. Since today is a Thursday, and you know we talk about love and relationship. He says if I come on air, I should tell people, most especially the women or the ladies, that he needs love. But there are terms and conditions again. And here he goes. Now he says he's looking for a God-fearing lady. He's looking for a God-fearing lady to date. The one he had before, now it be God way they fear him. So now he's looking for a God-fearing lady, not a lady that God himself fear her. You understand? 33 after 10, 93.3 of Adwuma mid-morning. 24th day of the month, February 2022, and most certainly we here this morning to make everything happen. I am your mid-morning driver, and I will be driving you to your destination, and also I'm going to make sure you have a good day at your office as well. If you're a taxi driver, I'm ever ready to add some sort of groove, some sort of entertainment and happiness. You know, I just want to bring it inside your car. So wherever you are this morning, stay glued to your dial. fasten your seatbelts. Because I'm about to drive you. I'm about to give you good music as well. In the Thursday Counselor's Column, Counselor Edwin Boahin will join us pretty soon. But today we have a dicey topic to discuss. And it's actually a voice. It's from one man who sent me his voice yesterday in the morning. And I also sent it over to Counselor. And maybe some way there. Ebusuan Kwaba. Obi I want to say. And there you are. Counselor's Column, the Counselor Edwin Boahin. Oh, Baba Kaya Hona for you didn't come on. Me see and then come away, baby. No, I brand ye na nyoma on name no. And no pay me number. And not send him no say come na. Me here only with you for no counselor and boy. Na my voice no. My voice na my with you kakra. As a counselor and so bad, the patrons would have drink raba. Your friend me Jenny me champion water in the cosmos in case you just tune in. Over to my friend me Bruce Money. Over to my friend me Cobina Costi. Over to my friend me Branty the perfect gentleman. Over to my friend me Quaps. That's right. And I always do this together with my super duper able production team. Akosia de Padumas, Agoba Uni, Mr. Charles, Nanato Pahen, Bonkumni Fan Gegeman, and my man DJ Shabu, the super duper Shabu. Me find Jagasi and come brother David, your taxi driver. Pasco, Raouf, MP3, Bright Wheezy, and Koma Staga, Jonah, good morning, and a Tanko, also your taxi driver, Tanko, good morning. I want to say, and Koma sending for you new Salum de Gambia. Berman Quine, Mr. Orban, Rejoice if Yabi, and my nephew, Jaden. Right, so I'll bring you motivational message. But when him Janamba way through, and then we say, and come on, a very way kakra. Number near 0594841044, SMS. Now, when you mammy the Campbell voice in the tea, a wakakra tea, the bar enough my bro motivation. I say, listen.
Massivina, it's imagine I'm saying, so much though. Now, I'm to make a football every moment. Then I say, Menegu Binette. Yatanavity 2010 to 2022. 10 years money away. Now, am I on Columbia? No, I'm na kwabna isia na obano ne ne yasesa wasesa kra amedwene ho amentiase atumi na dwendwen isia obano menene kasa so ye bibi na me meka na me de oda so teme nchen because of nkwala nti enye nkwala na nko kodi dada kwabna dano kase open phone ena me koto phone 1002 and the man 12 million. 3 days time no simbanis kan kubu niti na msanse so 100 cities. Them can so isa no me hu se dan gen todi ma me ma 80 cities na pe 20 cities so na fakobo. Kwabena we are me kan na be hwe one me. Ai ina me de bibi ntina oda so timi ho. Ah na nyame an ko live better life. Ah me man kan kubu niti a 100 cities pe no me man e mu 80 cities so no ko pe bin so so. Na nyame a enye me and kind it's not about 500 cities na there kwabena them san no kan ya na ha me na me dia re ho me mu e to de because na me su me mu that no say say ai nkola ni susanti na ono da su timi che na nkola na de eden ya obenyi obi ni ho ya wona ho nyi da e de ya nkola na be nyi nti nyi ya obe fa na ho ya obi hu de obe ya kwabena o kasa ya na ha me na last week na me ne to no no nya call na wa saving na money street to nya call me ne to ho nya call no de ko ne pie no ko receive call no buy na me say are no nya call de sorry abna we fi me pose me nipa na so bana say bia me ye kwa even se me ne to na say me nya call kra na no asase kasa ai na mai si na mai si na me ye me ne ma ene kasa kwabna ya na ha me because so obana say me ye kwa na on find out mpo so bia wana me ne kasa say bia me sister na say me nue pe onu so ni mo mu nyina on find out so ne dia ne say me ye kwa ni pa no so ni no o kasa na me so sia asori na me kwa no ma sorry na me kwa no me kwa bible school ho no ma the person that should be suffer that obano the oil no misuse ba affect me because obi amba be suffer that thing me yire ne me to kwa ma so munjo me they be mama ya frustrated nti me se me dey two ni na ma hwe I dream and I say futu a oti for so dey be mama but so me wa we oti for mo
The Mid Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Osofo in the building. Upcoming Osofo is in a dilemma. Upcoming Osofo is confused. And now he's asking. But officially, Bebusa no say onye na ho ade de. Omatna since 2010. Oma wumienu but onye na ho ade de. Oba ne yasasa nanka first nanka oba no support no. Basisi enyoma sesa. For the benefit of more Muntichi, so this is what he's trying to say. Well, say, hey, Kobna, help me. I've been with a lady since school time, that's 2010 to date. We support ourselves in everything, but recently she has been using such words. She has been using some words that hate me a lot. Words like she is still with me because of the case. If not like me, she would have a better life. She's only waiting for the case to grow, then she will decide. Last week, I saw a saved contact on her phone, which is saved as sweets. The person called and she picked the call and went outside. I asked her why she saved the numbers sweets and picked the call and left. Every time she sees me making a call, then she will start talking without knowing who is on the call. Now I am in a Bible school for our church. I'm afraid my ministry is at risk with this woman. What should I do? So our brother needs our answer and our brother needs our help. Let me go over it again. I say hey Kobna, I need your help. I've been with the lady since school time, that's 2010 to date. We support ourselves in everything, but recently she has been using some words that hate me a lot. Words like she is still with me because of the case. If not me, like she have a better life. She's only waiting for the case to grow, then she will decide. Last week, I saw a saved contact on her phone as sweet. The person called and she picked the call and went outside. I asked why she saved the number as sweet and picked the call and left. Later, she sees me making a call, then she will start talking without knowing who is on the call. Now I'm in a Bible school of our church. I'm afraid my ministry is at risk with this woman. What should I do? So assuming what you gonna do? If I just send in your answers ahead of time, 0594-841-044. Our brother needs your help. 0594-841-044. 43 minutes after 10. Ahenkan Adwuma. From a Kobina Costi. Yemi here yamwa. Nyabotre so wa mas mofia se friend mu nyabotre. Mo be kasado do. Now 7 years say Oni Obana Tana since 2010. Onya no one the officially there. But no more mammy, you know. Nankopon don't first nanka mo boab home. Yasi hango hankam sakona saba. But see a no man shut down fa. What tough 1,002 kramano. Uncle Bonnie Tikra or Mani Bineke. Obana Sen Kenya or no Bemana. Anka Samre Olivi better life. Samre mini when Kadango 10 hours they can't tell. Ochranka anya be manan ko live better life. No dey on twena nkwala nyi. And na obe decide say obe tena na obe ko. If I told months now 2010 up to now so your calculation now almost 10 years, right? 12 good years. Onye no ha dey. He needs our help. I say no master Obani Timmy can't have not recently, we say Obana saving number we want the phone so sweet. Sweet the same idea do, and I really be an Alewa. Maybe I now got to Alewa, baby, no Alewa then to us. Oh, Charlie, forgive me. It's in the sweet. Or pick a call no DPA. Now, problem back on the say. So, on the bear man in your call, be on no bear man in your car. No man started complaining, and I whine and Casano, and I was shouting at CB, and I would do not crowd DP. I made a mina call them with your say Casa. Sissy and saw your software to a call Bible school. Now, so by your software, we are way affecting the ministry now, and I am affecting the ministry. Or more bad than Kwana on Pescan and one dear Precona, really a dear cranny. About watching trade. Message in here 0594841044. Next message 0594841044. Your point me the number but to ya. I mean me business number but to ya. And the sounds who issue be out say a tier for boy. Mesro member wooding. Way or bonny din by any I added in the Unidia that they free. And the sounds who serious issue out here a tier for boy. And a counselor and some boy. Your point me the business number but to ya now free.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Yeah.
house kojo fosu that lumba won kwa sa won kwa we ko fosu that lumba obo won kana kre we wotimi kan send the chro oh sweetheart oh me say fia won kwa gache won kwa if you ampo for ado nim say ubie makome mo no kwa na da ho ubie ko na costa akome ma if you ampo for wan kwa na da ho if you won kwa oh obi aboa if you ampo for ado obi abekan bi aboa wa na da ho if you ampo for papa motivational message. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Now, so yes, motivational message. Our daily dose of vim, our daily dose of motivations. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Your wedding photography, birthday photography, studio photography, picture framing, and our face embroidery work. Be our Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Tebe pacho. Be a far phony and a video not just a Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. You're training one more person entity. I was saying you marry me now. By betting me training. Be a proper and professional photographer, videographer, embroidery works in so make sure come on. The Wadan Liberty. Sit Kinop Pharmacy. It was 0245276638. 0245276638. And I am call your motivational message in this so I don't pay. And then I know who say food to kakra. And there you are. It's a call your door seven so kakra. See, do not let your problems ruin your relationship. Hardship are just things that will make your bond stronger. So before, I was a victim of this. You see, you won't go for baby one my teach you the man. Your problem I name. Sometimes depression to me and your day. Who bufu na they affect your girlfriends and they affect your wives. Normal. Meboa. Once I began was in I thought I would be Timima Ubufu. And I thought I own a problem be moved. Not Obia who him. But with him, say Ubufu and I say own problem be man. I don't think so say oh extend this our problem no. And I say oh extend this Ubufu in the court or pattern and so. Any meaning mama be an bufu pe. And they are no be ankasa. Many me example. First, you know, say me mood say I don't want to talk to anyone. I will just off my phone and sleep. I only now saw my phone and my message say, and now where have you been? Why did you off your phone? Massa, is it your phone? But later I realized I said that isn't the best thing to do. And to man foul problem no. And find who before air and standing fan call or pattern and so. Say Ubufu and now mood say find a way and deal with it. My man will come out problems and say relationship. Be all no problem one. The yellow crown and the casa crown and the wolf. If you are making when you listen to the show, the yellow tree. I before we will be a channel of one thing. And our problem be on them. And our dream be a what dream I is so. And see, and you can't say, Braco, your father dream, I didn't Braco. A bassa now cool bano home, now Kunizuzu, Mr. Ukunija. I share my problems and renew relationship. Find a way and deal with it. What you say? A man almost some account. Or Bobby wants to the mood say, Me de den. Me my brand do un. E den kra me de me pesa de den kra de. Me ba jo. Wo di we ko fa to pan he kwan eji. De ne obefa woji o. Oko nyana o se relationship. Na mu relationship na say. No me pa cho. Na no pay de me ka cho na ye no hu efutu isa no. Fa bebo awo. Emma problems now name no any relationship. See me the kuto sre. And I'm this rover. So when I'm baby man, just have time for yourself. I want us appropriate. National Senior High School. Omone fast track remedial schools album. Ma come to my bono she say. Omoboa wo mo person mo chro wase ni remedial se ni bi no mo twa ne ye pan nya kwanya and to aso school. And me pa cho. The watchro wase pen na watchro of there can be pen but I'm far. National Senior High School fast track remedial school sebra. Na sabe chro bi ebu. Omunchen ye omo ahio 88 obetwa ye kasa obi etwa nso hwa ache say fast track media school e be mo chro etwa ne ye pa yes as your pre SHS classes at the GHS level the classes say no miensa 3 p.m. from Monday to Friday, our Ridge Experimental. The bachelor pick your forms ni be watching more than stop over, and continue opposite Kaneshi fast food. So we are general art students, visual home economics, we are Greek students, we are science students. Watch rope paper back home, you and Zambi and far, me pacho. The pick your forms this year. I am found 5 intensive classes more. Natural, nenya 8 A's. Fako school. Amaje ba clinic is so watching more than chroma ya. Waji atumu say sabi o ma ya retete o mo ya re enti no dey pie o munye bi nko no. Waji say o dey ya re no do na so ya. Be sa ya re na ho ato. Sa ya re ni ulcer, typhoid, kidney problem, and menstrual problem, gonorrhea, diabetes, infertility. Fakodan Amaje Herbal Clinic. Ya rien kitchen bianzo. Ya Amaje Herbal Clinic. And a boy now with me too as you. Ya water Red Cross Junction. Opposite Evergreen Gas Filling Station. Mr. Tama Crudano. Srobo Moses ya na fe ya sa yare. Ade sa yare na no de na sa wutimi ba ya so yen so anu afa phone no afre. E beba. Number ni 0244 877-840. 0244 877-840. 0205-045-665. Maje ba clinic na wa yare se fie. So 93.3 FM. Me pacho ye nua be ma no. Ohia ye mboa. Ohia ye mienu ye mboa.
In Amsterdam, namely Yvonne Premper, Abigail, Manfred, Brother Dennis, Charles, Kwabna, popularly known as Richard. I really love you. Thank you.
Adama West Africa emamo adwuma Adama West Africa eye agrochemical company wo Israel na watena se ahwehwema hunu se akuafo etom ne bia emfue timi gimafuo nyina e de boso ni titiru ene esre se esre na agi wafuo aboso dia ene na mekanfo agile e de amount wudua no bi ti se enkruma tomatoes nyadoa watermelon meko ayoyo anafei abroba abra esre na fifi fofora eba no hwehwe agile na first spray esre so ansa no watu akwa akotim anasa wo de watimi mpo awie no na wo de agile spray esre ni nyina so hye no so mema esre ni nyi bebre ansa na wo de agile akwa spray so de hia se wo ba hwehwe 10 tomatoes eketo no wa hye ba akopɛ de agu kafukafu afidie yimu na du ensuo 15 liters afra wo de spray pe wawie wadwuma se wo de agile spray wafu ase a emma enhyerene a wo no ban na agu no entingu eno achi no akuafo mo nso dua bibi ti se beans enkate ana fe so ya beans no mo nso hwehwe vezil ekumfue na se prekopɛ edi free sa no be ye ase de se wo ye nie unya hu se emfue na hyase e ba pe hwehwe vezil na first spray na se wo de spray so pe ubetu emfue na se nyina wo to vezil a betimi de spray wafu na se empre nwotwe eno kro ya nso spray 1.5 acres eya no afa 30 mils anase obesusu atra ye dididie no miensa na wo de nsuo 15 liters afra benya bia to ewo agrochemical shop bia eben wo Ghana fa na nyina anase wo befre 0544325030 ana 0270575030 Adama West Africa Ghana akuafo ye jimudi
Anobites ye aduro bi ana misisi pa ya me yaye enso me no anobites no aboa me
adono manumbi na me to ase ntini mu na etwetwe me pa na mu hwehwe me se de nyame adom nyina ejan
madrono aboa me papa na me ne me rekompoma enduru 1 minute na me ho aba me nom 1 bottle ti say me ne yiri da be 30 minutes nti madrono de eye pa san fabra mo
me din de ya mensa yo to anobites ekono me ne kaso so aboa me pa na misisi na ya me ya na beto no mo ye eno ame no mo ye ekọ bibia akọ kama de say me tim bo adwuma ye
ya frɛ me Abdul Jalil Shaibu na me wo haw bi a eye se me ne me yere ehia mu a sisia na me ho asani me ma me tumrika ekoto bi me no mo ye no yare no akọ
asa no bi tese no de dza fa ase misisi ye ya to ya nso no me ni nyina akọ me ka tre wo bi o no ma no bi tese ne ya dza papa ebe boa na ma ne yare bi e wo
ano heba bitters ena ano heba capsules enure ukoto bi atoni mienu ebom ubanya bi ato ewo achemoda ha ochini ba drugstore ena Ghana ha drugstore bia heba shop bia ubanya bi ato bitters
Bafana kama sama mami Bafana di masama mami Bafana tuminyarewa Na wa mama wadi ya shukrai Usisi ya uya Bafana eba mischa Honoria Sasa wena maya ume Bafana eba mischa Handi basi Sufalans munamure Abidi duro mujata Bafana eba kapso Uno kapsos na unu mischa Bafana eba mischa Open for an enum Wouldn't feed me no die And what you'll be at me no Bafana eba kapso Now bubo biye Bafana eba mischa Ubenya bafa Mr. and the capsules or my baby a tonu pabia. Those upon Fred Buffer so I can send what 0553511501 or 0208233058. Buffer Ujidia Jonkwa. My friend before
Jadi Babium, it is coming on the Fumbate. Go this city park. What can be? Or the yow top.
Yeah. Yow top. Any ever sing. Yeah, any ever sing. Any ever sing.
And you go 50.
I show mommy say wanna be do
Ever Feet March 2022. A pre-independent party. A free young Joshi. Jeniano 9 and not for your member. And I'm more hot. And you know, and then I'll be Pierre Duhon. And Jenian said, Feet March. Over sort of ones, not your member. Now, Saddam, MC, I bet Danny Danny Jumaji. I am microphone go and I hit my DJ Susobe Hunum. I a DJ Rich and a DJ Person. And Tiesha said you didn't get na. Young for G and you go this city park. I will Achim Asene. I bang a Kingston University pay. Nutimo more down walk across from Master Super. Munina Muji and the Trada. Young Bongra Golden City Park. I will feed March 2022. I am a manager. I'm Paya. I bet you to talk.
Bring it on.
Oh yes, wait, you need some at the Madishanma or more at Sim or down in Patemu. Titri one ma epe akonya akwa senior high school. No mako trewa since or an action yemu. Esan say National Senior High School was Santimantemo ya Sanimani say Great National Abe Piemu ewa wada nene Patema. Eye need Samson kokra. Courses now where you need be a business, general arts, visual art, home economics, general science, general agriculture, general business certificate of examination. Remedial classes in so what the touch what the amount great national and fast track remedial akaboma was what the classes by so at the amount ewa range experimental JHS and no ewa achimoda nkwantenum ECG office and then actually one ma classes no echa se awia no miensa 3 p.m. 50 duada ekopim efia de bia enunti wasi 2022 no ko na ko register ewa great national opese fire forms ni bia for ni chiremu ewa achimoda stop over fast track for 110 in one ma from paying for I was 0244 92 36 36 TNBM 0244 92 36 36 for a great national was say your 8A's dream is done deal.
I am standing tall. Bring it on.
Salute. Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow any offense back.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the Duanwa, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance say, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a hoka. No, Yamwa suing in no, a boy who buy every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor in Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and more who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you are may move Bia Yato in row. At to form fresh 0246 20 84 96. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Mido, asa na die fia e hrampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 and ama efia e hwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA ban ni na call limited. And wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne na nsen kwada nyoma ni ate se wan. Eye parazo enu na me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni na afro. Na ade ba de na wo de ahohura poto bi de si.
Eye akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia. Papa pata susu nyina so ate se wan no.
Na nsen awowo ni nyina mpayila. Uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi.
Medeta wo. Eye JA Biny snake reparent na me de atu o ma sesa no.
Enu omo wo niema papa.
Ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedem a wahoro won sai uhu ana. Ai enu aso na mede wohoro nchaasi mu nyina da.
Ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan. Fa no mo wo.
JA Biny wo mo nioma no. Wo benya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase bonga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye. Se wo pani do so po mu atua. Wo benya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie.
Ba me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 570 076-643.
Medofo, now so mudi ni body say.
Eye JA Binding and Call Limited.
Ja, me drew ho sesia.
Yamama kwaba eba St. Andrews SHS kasebo iso. Uwi JHS afi anamfi etwemu yi.
Computer di utu school a wani nyi humu.
Ana program yede ma wo no wani nhyada anje ho.
Ana se na pe boarding school nanso yede utu day school.
Ana wo de computer ama school bia.
Wano ye eye St. Andrews SHS.
St. Andrews SHS A grade A private school. Wadi operation Get a Good Senior High School of a Choice Ebramwa uwi JHS afi enmfi a etwemu mu.
Your excellent boarding facilities. Ewo home ma ene memma. Metrebia woda wo beto ye pa.
Your courses be a general arts, business, home economics, general science, visual arts, and agric science.
Ye wasin fosu menkesim dunkonofin and afi sahi asanwensu.
Obetima for 0244 696911 so and 020 789 1004. Kasebonesi ebusuafo yedamase.
Ewiasim hase no ensa no dwuma ya ade a odofo so wa obi entuminji emfi unsem enu ntina VK Vocational Training Institute ababe piemu ewo ekoye mantem ha ebe twetwenye ye wo opepa no se ebesua fashion and design metre se ebesua sene ye pam emma ne mema entire papa omo twetwe decoration sene esiesie wedding ase engagement fascinator bridal fan outdooring enu ani VK Vocational Training Institute Oko onwaso ye hono ma omo checho ye pa 85% practical and into wonwie no abe pabne ewo ensanu dwumemu hwehwe ye tra kwan wo achim aboabo David Lapia kwan so eho ena ye wo frye wa homa trufo yi eso na chinchemu asini medie 0241995775 0241995775 VK Vocational Training Institute ANM DFA.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Friscalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Before I make you my boo, but you're not really ready for this glow. I go see Annie, Jessica, me. Every other night's a different girl. I can't believe it. Do I have to tell you how I feel before you see me? Can you tell me why? Why oh, why oh, can you tell me why oh, why oh, why? Who you taking home tonight? I did feel you when I know the lie, but who you taking home tonight? Go and say why? Who you taking home tonight? I did feel you when I know the lie. Who you taking home tonight? When your mommy not so make say who jive. Baby boy, I got your back, intimacy guy. Tell me koda na ju promise who die. When your mommy not so make say who jive. Baby boy, I got your back, intimacy guy. I hate that I love you. Oh why? Who you taking home tonight? I didn't feel you when I know the lie, but who you taking home tonight?
Sophie, and Jessica, and meet me. Every other night's a different girl, I can't believe it. Do I have to tell you how I feel before you see me? Can you tell me why? Why, oh, why, oh, can you tell me why, oh, why, oh,
Benita Suonina Newo.
Hello Ghana, this is girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Quest.
No say, no don't pay, na me media. Edruboni na minumwana, anase mi kosha konfo. Se ubido wa unwana, na inya wukikano na mintio. Arira chichire mi do unimse. If you're only power, Ababa way, any more. Any nanwa, and the commission, no one, I say, Sophie, I say, it's your new good year, then you're I maintain or dancing. And I'm also not meeting audacity. As I feel and say a kid me I feel now no way. A day by I do one. Your friend no by wo. Some of them who are catching you. I'm in pouch out and you say, yo. I really teach you me don't himself. If you're only power, Ababa way, any more. Any nanwa, that you consume no banana, say, Sophie, I say, it's your no shade, good year, then you're any more. See me one boat track. Ya meyo piano famisa. Ya na benuswa. Ya na benusna eyo. Na fei ande. Mama tafwenya miyo. If you're only power, Ababa way, any more. Any nanwa, get the conscience, no one, I say, Sophie,
Right, so a happy birthday going out to my brother George Obri Ebuachaye. George Obri Ebuachaye. And I broke my prom. I mean, happy birthday. Come on. What is it? George Obri Ebuachaye. So currently, we are Adwuma. Oh yeah, actually more than DVLA. And he happens to be the vice president for Brim Central Municipal National Service Personnel Association.
Girl, I'm in love with you now. Said I'm in love with you now. You know what time it is. Girl, I'm in love with you now. You were always on my mind. Said I'm in love with you now. And I promise on my life.
And I'll feel happy birthday, Cassianso and Coma Miriam. Love with you. Miriam, where if we father and chain Miriam. So now birthday, happy birthday, sir, and come out. Alright, so fix man capsules. been scientifically tested. And I'll for ya to say, I am Mamedro.
No, sorry, you took my heart.
I am Mamedro.
And you stomped on it. You lied to me.
I am Mamedro. I will not be now with the choir of Konanoa.
And if you know over to me, I am Mammy.
One man soldier. Betty Obia Sabu Bonnie 2 time. One man soldier, no man can wait to my work on. I'm in love with you now. 3 million thousand soldiers are crying to me. The first man capsules, the baby patrol. Also, PBH, malaria, also fever, headache. It's no word do a fix mala mixture. Fix Arabella ointment. Skin rashes. Fix by Android. Both chemicals. Watch more than available in all pharmacies, chemical shops. I watch more than Chrome. Chineba drugstore, and one for pharmacy or Greens pharmacy, Shumesi drugstore, and our Kennedy drugstore. The patch over to my friend Penny for 0205 885 000 0205 885 000 and I say fix a bump Penny for office our crack 0208 444442 0208 444442 0302 902 071.
I try to understand.
And that's just it. Yeah, proper Jenna. And me find Jack as your point and come out Portia Safwa.
Want you, baby?
Portia Safwa.
Make me say
Portia and go point shop. After you call back as your point about ODA. Portia. Yes, I'm in one Jeremy and come in one Jeremy. But Portia Safwa. Welcome to ODA. I was saying, I'm one Jemu, but men kase Uku Adwuma wa Ahenkan FM. And your boyfriend Uku Adwuma wa Ahenkan FM. And go for say Uku 2 coin chain and see no banana na watwano. I was Uku bound chair crying chair you. Some was a Uku gra oba the be also over the bay. 3 days ye. So come by 3 days ye what one. Eh Portia Safwa. Eh Portia Safwa. Well. But Sabo say Portia Safwa ni wudi ankasa ma me de wo. But you see Obabia warrior ye the missus na ye the kundi aso so. It was say me come missus. Body and then some about but what's up for you? Ya fa ukundi an so din sa me patch of fache.
Sorry.
Enya hwe. Fache.
And I broke my promise.
Fache.
Ni me kan ye nyine entry.
Me wadan fo bi wo abu kroma yo ba no fe pan ye fe no wusu a.
Me de ye me. Ni awo penyi na kana me ya mawo. Me chimi
e fe no wusu a.
Me nya bi.
Wusu a no pa mi chia.
Hwe mani ma.
Sabo say wusu a ne mema din the same.
Love with you now.
And I'm saying mema din you wusu.
I'm in love with you.
And also okay. Anyway,
said I'm in love with you now. Girl, I'm in love with you.
ODI Electronics. I'm not in the mood to spoil someone's business.
Girl, I'm in love.
If I try to freezer, gas cooker, TV, kettle, washing machine, I think that about ODI Electronics. I'm going to be at all.
Girl, I'm in love.
If I try to make us a better 0550900600. And I said Brian can FM here. Oh, but the episode to be a baby at home. So that for Tika so one. Before no better national film what can ye 0550900600. And in penny for wedding common idea. I patrol council of kind as is yana for be say and I am Berman.
Well, now we aiming in training.
I am Berman here I am boy.
Rip it out and you stomped on it. You lied to me, boy. I should have known you would do it to me. And then if you know over to me, I am mommy. Cause I gave it all to you, Shania, who I am me. I know I miss you, but I can't do it. Cause I'm in love with you now. I'm in love with you now.
You are always on my mind.
I'm in love with you now.
Always on my mind.
I'm in love with you now.
once again, happy birthday to my brother George Obri Ebuachai. George Obri Ebuachai, happy birthday, Minya. DVLA. And I was answered the Vice President for Brim Central Municipal National Service Personnel Association. Charlie, I'll see a sing Kunya and they announced it. And I was there.
Now I'm so ashamed.
Right, so 25 after 11. And then, but your number now over test here 0594 841 044 0594 Please check this phone. 0594 841
You could never keep
SMS. Now, yes, somebody in your voice in the TV.
Why my love will still remain? Cause I love you, baby. Want you, baby. The only one who can make me say
you now. Said I'm in love with you now. Girl, I'm in love with you now.
Have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning into Kwabena Kwesti.
Right, so 93.3 FM. Yenuano. They say no here ya more. Also, new Obana from 2010. Okay, you TTT voice. In case you just to me patch yourself, afe na utia. Medical body da. But afe na o tuning in na utia. Yenua no me be voice no. Na osi ohia yemboa. Ti mesere se obetie ne yepa. Na ye bie phone na tuma. Na so de wadwen kire. E da ba otie nti ohia yemboa. Message number no so 0594 841 Me patch otie.
Kamna ale masebi na etimaju na mese mpese misusu hu kire o na me nso me hwe futu ale be mama ne nya ne se me ne go bi nete ya tena fiti 2010 till 2022 to sha 10 years more na away na ema nkwala mienu abem na kwabna isia na oba no ne ya sesa asesa kra a medwene ho a mentiase atumi na dwendwen isia oba no me ne kasa so ye bibi na me kan na me de oda so teme nchen because of nkwala nti na nya nkwala na nko kodi da kwabna da no ka se opel phone na me ko to phone 1002 and the man 12 million 3 days time no simba nis kan kubu niti na me say so 100 cities na me ka chen so isa no me hu se da nya nti de ma me ma 80 cities na pe 20 cities so na fa kobo kwabna we are me kan na be hwe one me ai na me de bibi ntina oda so timi ho na nya me anko live better life me man is kan ko boniti a 100 cities pe no me man emu 80 cities so no nko pe bin so na nya me a enye me ankan e tro be ball 500 cities na le ade kwabna semsa no kan ya na ha me na me dia reho me mu e to de bi ko na me su me mu da no so say ai nkola ni su santina ono da so timi nche na nkola ne de de yin a obenyi obi ni ho ya wona onyi da e de ya nkola ne benyi nti onyi a obefa na ho a yo bi hu de obe ya abla o kasa ya na ha me na last week na me ne to no no nya ko na wa saving na mani street to nya ko me ne to ho nya ko no de ko ni pi no ko receive ko no buy na me say are no nya ko de story abna we fi mpo se mi ni pa so balance e bia me ye kwa even se minute wona se me nya ko kra na no asase kasa ha na mai si na me ye me ni ma ene kasa kwabna e ha na ha me because so o balance me ye kwa na on find out mpo so bia ho na me ni kasa se bia me sister na se mi nue bo onu su ni mo mu nyina on find out It's a need answer me here call in the panel soon in the panel soon no or Casacasa. Let me see, I saw in a call, my sorry, I'm a call Bible school on ma. Me person that in very softful. That or ban on the oil no, Miss about affecting me because Obian Babes for that here. Me hear any man to quanto quama Masumunjo me. Today, be a mamma frustrated. Until me see me the two in na Marhe. I drink and answer foot or tea for so they be mamma. Until Cabina, Bacho, Mr. Only tea for Momboame.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Some more. Life, life here somewhere. And there's this news I'm gathering. Ricky Rick has committed suicide. Like, what the F? Someone who just got a big deal, like her. There be what is going on? What is going on? So what I'm also gathering is that the family has confirmed he's dead. A lot of people are saying he's a suicide. Because come on, it can't be suicide. People are saying he committed suicide out of depression. This can't be true. I'm still gathering proper information because I think just last month, that is January or something, he was admitted at the best university at South Africa. So why depression? I mean, why should he even kill himself? And come on, Charlie, news you are breaking me, man. I know probably he say in fact 5 minutes ago news you are breaking me. So I gathered that he died yesterday. Someone that had some endorsement just last year, somewhere December. I mean, a huge endorsement, a huge deal. Hey. So according to News 24 from South Africa, so he was found there in his house in Johannesburg, And they are also saying that allegedly he was suffering from some mental health issues. But you know, he was recovering. So he died yesterday. He was 34 years. Hey, I mean, news here as a mama me say just about 2 days ago he posted something saying he was introduced to this game. I mean, this hip hop game, blah 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 blah. And then when I mean, he has gained a lot of money, this, that. So why? I don't want to believe he died out of depression or he committed suicide. Now the family has, confirmed. Of course, he's dead. He died yesterday in his house. But the woman can't say it was suicide or something. I don't know why people are speculating false news on social media. Bloggers. Anyway, our brother still needs our help. Our brother still needs our help. Our message 050594841044. People are saying send me some voice TV. It's a paper chawunti.
Kwabna ale masebi na etimaji na mesen pese mi susu hu chiro. Na me nso me hwe futu ale be mama. Ne nya ne se me ne give binete. Ya tena futi 2010 till 2022. To share 10 years money away. Na ema nkwala mi no abem. Na kwabna isia na oba no ne ya assistant kra me junior wa mentiase atumi na dwendwe. Isia oba no me ne kasa. So ye bibi na me kan na me de oda so teme nchen because of nkwala nti enye nkwala na nko kodi da kwabna da no ka se open phone na me ko to phone 1002 and the man 12 million. 3 days time your simba nis kan kubu niti na me say so 100 cities. Dem ka sen so isia no me hu se da nyen to de ma me ma 30 cities na 20 cities so na fa kobo kwabna me ya me kan ne be he one me na me de bibi ntina oda so timi ho na nyame an ko live better life me man is kan go boniti a 100 cities per no me man emu 80 cities so no ko pe bin so na nyame a enye me an kan e tro be bon 500 cities na le ade kwabna semsa no kan ya na ha me na me dia re ho me mu e to de bi ko na me su me mu da no so say ko la ni su santina ono da so timi tene ko la ne de e de ya ombenyi obi ni ho ya wona onyi da ede ya nkola ne be nyi nti onyi a obefa ne ho ajo bi hu de be ya abla o kasa ya ne ha me na last week na me ne to no nya ko na wa se bi na mani street so nya ko me ne to ho nya ko ne de ko ni pi no ko receive ko no ba na me say are no nya ko de story abla we fi mi mpo se mi ni pa na so bana se bi a me ye kwa even se minute wona se me nya ko kra na no asase kasa na maisi na me ye minimum ene kasa kwabna ya na ha me so obana se ye ko na on fani out mpu so bia ho na me ne kasa se bia me sister na se minu e onu so ni mo munyina on fani out se ne dia se me ye ko ni pa no so ni no o kasa em so sia asori na me ko no ma asori na me ko Bible school ho no ma the person that can be suffer that obano the oil no mistress about affect me because obi amba be suffer that me yire ne me to kwa ma so njume they dey be mama ya frustrated nti me see me dey two ni na ma hwe I green and answer futu a oti for so dey be mama nti kwabna mpacho me sirawa oni oti for mombo ame.
Now upcoming Osofo is confused. Ana incoming also for a musician guy up come back to mama from Munyabotore councillor mama councillor ngati the councillor you are not afraid councillor goes if you are here
come Mr. Abi tupe
okay 0554820910 one more fraffe mo frɛ 0554820910 hello good morning your first talk as a friend
from George came with a friend.
George, me patch enya be man you so for ohiambo.
Me patch oban 777 na dia to fom. Nti e be ya be man wunja na cedi. Na uko boti 500 cedi. E o Ghana ha si. Na ku gba do ko be ma se ska no.
Okay. What's it last year for me? Hello.
Hey.
Yes, good morning dear. Your first talk as a friend. Salome Niana.
Cosmo,
Eunice.
Yeah.
Right, Eunice, mommy too.
I saw me too. Come around. Obana Angasa. Ocean on Bob Brown. What's me? I got 1,000 to the amount bet me be a business amount. 3 days. I was asked for a ukobo with two amount. It's this on an elko. And can you know? And young Colana could live better life. Bama no jano why? Ananga so you serious.
But see, we about your first talk as a friend. Cause all the say you check on some
come the last one.
And we are last hour, Yankaza.
Like Yami me pan say. Okay, abonation no corny school. Yami be in it farmer. Yami ho ani na yi no. Yami na dum.
Eh, o ma wo mi no. All right. Me pa choma from Munyabotere mo bebem. But mama counselor ndi kan enkasa counselor.
Cobra.
Good morning, Biaboko.
Morning. Nyame adum Biaboko. Bi afi.
Right.
She ase de oboa.
Right. Incoming no suffer. Ni problem ni.
Cobra, mami chia first lady answer. Answer na menya asem. Na me sister Akua. Ono so sim stress so edru. Me no ka say we tie empa me hane pa no wonim. Me hane pa no pe kra ma fa hane kakra answer. Cobra.
Me pacho course mu hodi one kakra esa menya feedback bi me pacho mu hodi one course
munya botre na ye
ni ya course ndemo be safre bi me pacho pa
e bi ye kasa wi kra ha na Yesu be se ofa o se wa onye bone da no monto bo mo na ni ba ho na obi akofi nti ya hwa yi bedi nkoma wi na ha call no kra wonya nye bi good yes ye na yo sinto kwabna we ye ade ba ko a enu na me hwe na very broad na menya nyoma be brief free mu yes obi a ode why na dwene se opese oni oba bobra na along the line ushia no enye enne na meka se omumi enu nimo mo ho etiefo mo ana mo frɛ no you should understand the story very well sisia na ba bia tosin time o to phone ni ma no o se oboniti sei ni sei no enye nne wo and nepen obusa that big amount but gone are the days. How was it like? Omushi omo for no so be man testifies they were helping each other into fa baby na oba no so boa be man wo baby and a be man so boa no baby and along the line of friction aba what they say and a lifestyle na change and oba no demands kosoro. This is what we are talking about. Inti for enhwe case ni very real and I say omuntie ni ye pa and I started that crop and oba na so making those big demands.
Bro for trauma was say hey governor help me. I've been with a lady since school time.
What you say?
That's 2010 to date.
Yes.
We support ourselves in everything.
Good.
But recently she has been using some words that hurt me a lot.
Yes.
Words like she is still with me because of the case.
Good.
If not me, like she have a better life.
Oh, come on. And so you see, back then, from 2010 till now, 12 years they have been able to live along and collab them. And now, Obana na nyome bi anase suban bi ashas is when ya council of elders are a 24
board members.
Tunifo eti e ho ne be kwabna adeba ko a before I met tackle ni issue no e ma na nyusu nyamesom enye na dwen se odebenya warepa obi kan asem sisi ase onya na asem ma no na listen kwabna ade we ya ye friend na ware no me ameti hey I am a marriage planner. Your wedding planners, they take a lot of money. me I am a marriage planner. I don't think that may use that term we are mammy because the institution I a friend in marriage, you come in free too. Me, I've not been there. And I say my room, me as I sit here, my room good. And I know what I'm talking about. Now, what I'm talking about is say, Kwabna, as a planner, if I don't plan my marriage well, I am going to fail. The Bible is a different thing altogether. Or kremosumwa a different thing altogether. Or sumfu from a different thing altogether. But the idea of marriage is an institution. It is a school. Along the line, anything afraid break to me bem. Once a kwabna go to me my break time. Friction, what break like so much stress on you. In 2% you take off some of the internet teacher say in marriage, some of these things even do happen. That doesn't mean you go away and you come back to school. The marriage school, no. Until the marriage is an institution, and no quantity rules and regulations. Yes. Adeba woman say, I am an imperfect person. Me not perfect. I am a 50% perfect. Or also Albany 50% perfect. Now, we come together and as much as possible, we try to work on yen differences, yen sinto. That is the marriage I am talking about. And forget about unyame suma. Sorry, I woke see that. And as a brap and it me, not hear me. In the first place, you even made a mistake. I want to so when it's a Bible school, you want to get there. It means you didn't plan. I saw now unim said that chimbi. Kwabna unim said that chimbi. Obe rubber be say ya. Why kids? If you know you don't want trouble, why kids? Kwabna, God doesn't. Also ye moja to da na yem no na mi minimo. Enye ne na obeka kire me say afi no friend aba. You get it. You have series of evidences that says that this is where Nyankopon person or the mefa. No, Kwabna, you can't tell me that nena Nyankopon amu who say eso ofrel. Two, Kwabna, it's a person or the nyame sumno ebekata say right now you are becoming more or less like as a holy in the eyes of people. No, Kwabna. So if you knew the right thing before even know about what and one you have even failed over there. This is what a TF4 they have failed. Listen, I don't tackle me in fact as I'm not just trust as the fact that Obani demand this. If I will blame him. Why? Because unim you have to do the right thing. Is a nyame anim no udifo. Kwabna so beji atum. Udifo osi osofo na opese udino. Even you didn't give reference to God.
12 years in.
Yes. One na wo ba kumienu. Now you are coming to tell the world say opese udisofo. Come on. Please, what do you say? I'm main judge one answer main can say no. But me you attend. Why? Because you failed in the first place. So when him say bibia wo nyame mu a, ade na wo nyame so ade. It is a and I make sure no. Into what you say you were doing things in God's and no watch you say subai no. Yes, because at the end of the day you have not given yourself say wo say nyame so now the be you wa de. I am telling you it is wrong. Marriage is an institution. It has its rules and regulations. Principles are being, principles are de worry. Enunti unim sadia na kwabna obe bomb empire 24/7. Empire 24/7 na nyansa adwene ni hu na empire hu. Kwabna ye ma memnu si edi bronya omo to kosua ne emo ne ntade man no mo dwen next term school fees hu. Udi adwane ni fufu aboso aka kire wo. Udi yere hu di ye bebie school. What do you think I understand about me? Yes, I Adentia, we're planning the life. We're planning the next 3 months. No, who say school fees be who did the others to do if you want to enter into marriage and now into a relationship, please set yourself down in the next 2-3 years. Open a relationship na haifa nedru. This is what we fail to do. But
you see, because of time, you know, this year, Osho say, Ebiana or Warren, like officially, it may affect the ministry.
So now it will never affect the ministry. Now let's tackle the issue.
Okay.
Okay. Now, let's tackle the issue. I just wanted to be brief on the planning and then working out the marriage. The working out is the issues near become one. And it says subino ka plan and na American say in the next 2-3 years. How do you want your marriage? Kwabna wonam we ya unyangware. You are a free person when it at the end of the day, wo hwe when it ni na na aka che ho say mikofo obi abeka me ho. Se na be ya manyije no esa be kosoro. Oba no, it is not like that. The person has a different attitude. The person has a different environment altogether. Into Oba no enyoma no enkosa no. Now let's go to the working out. Issues na abano. And then ama Oba no yes sir. Have you figured out? And then ama no yes sir. Kwabna board members here kan wasem na e kan di agro. Oba no oje 2 cedis, oje 10 cedis. Na enye ne hwe. Oni na tena sia 12 years. E then after the price I could do 1,002. I could do 500 cedis. I could do that level. Board members no. Have you figured them out? It is coming from somewhere. And then break. We are coming to the real issues. Brapeni se wu tie me a then ama na yes sir. And now for 4 ben is who is she listening to? Their programs na all share. What kind of lifestyle I say old lady? This is where I want you to make sure and fan pie bon attackers are there no. Please find out what is wrong with the sit her down. Find out what is actually happening. Obi na influence na. Get to the bottom of it. Sit her down. And money, listen, and kwabna fine. You're fine and holy. Kwabna adeba kwa mesa person me can e wo lady no me fire on so kakra. Listen, never use enkwala as an excuse for staying. Listen, you can go. You can go, sister. On worry. Leave the children and go. Yeah, can I call for frail na yes. They say demands na could do that level. Go. There's somebody out there. Don't forget, this was an incomplete person, a 50% complete person. And I now see 50%, and I'm more cambo, and I gradually move through her. Though they are hitches, and then why you say you go back to another 50%. Now, Bema now walk off as a new person. No, do you know him? Or about for fra, or better said the way I the ATM. You go and start afresh.
Check a cry.
What now be because right now no the moment you leave, you haven't planned anything. The baby work because right now your demands are very high. Until whoever can afford those demands. And then my man answer abano. And then who decide any chance here? Yes, you any majumane pa.
Oh, one time.
What you say? And me catch no. If so value not enkwala me person be your mas. If she values branti any say or person any bra, then on calm me down. On calm me down cry because sa branti ni bia net meti hai. Me so me woman now so. Be man fall short in some ways. Fine. Sister, me pa chow enunti na mumie no matna for 12 years.
Na kasla suman yo wait me of mami.
Come na nyame na frɛ be man no. Wan frɛ ba no. Me man atiase. Nyame na frɛ be man no. Wan frɛ ba no. That is why ofrɛ wie no. U school na wo kɔ no nyame som. Ofrɛ ko nyame asem. Onu school ni school e frɛ ne sɛ ombra wadiem. Enti mesrɛ no. Awade ne ye yeah, kwabna 2 years say enti Yesu onim ti no anware. Enye ofre no de bai.
Ofre pa.
Onipa na say yes. The friend no ba. Kwabna who te say Bible mu Joseph busa Yesu esre Yesu ade da. Mary no dimrika ensanasa yensenkyerene. Oba ne ba be busa sa question no. The ladies and their demands. Yes. Enti mesre lady no. This is the time. If she wants to back out, one said, me pay man no she's not ready, and I say he is not ready to leave. And I mean, didn't make us say more funny ministry in yes and nuntina ministry into a perse and kwala or perse or debi.
Obansa ka chance say in kwala nia she will decide.
Yes, and you it is better now. Mon worry, media no mon worry. Covenant be any. Abusuafo bia imagine tinsa na disesete be ye nware wo enti se we akasa asemu a kire se mofra na benyi na ye gya wo de a bra wo na nyame afrew ye onyame so adwuma na wo wie ni nyame ye wadom na obi a ono so nyame aka na koma se ono be kosa school ni de a fine right bi si a wo fa wo tinko wura mu ni de me pa na chew too hufu.
Right, my main kind message is kakana for young calls baby and say time ago. Sasa said tell the guy not to invest his emotions in the lady. He should prepare himself for a breakup so it doesn't hurt him when it arrives.
Yes.
3 now. Hey, Sasa on my 5 points. Or say he should exclude the lady in his plans. 4, he's not eating the thing alone. And 5, he shouldn't tell the lady her plans. I was about why haven't he married the lady for that long time?
Good. That is our
but
problem.
how things are going there, he shouldn't marry her at all. Otherwise, he will regret. All right. Kobe Praise says, my brother, it's not everything we wish for that we get to. Who knows the pregnancy was unplanned? Tell him I said 90% of people who plan their lives failed. Situation and conditions also play some roles. Right, this is Kobe Praise. My member has seen enough Ahenkan Hansel there. And this one says, Kobna, this man needs no idea. He should look sharp and quit the woman before it is late. He shouldn't consider the case and then stay in this mess situation. Right. This is a breakup now. I suggest there is something wrong somewhere. So the man should ask the woman and then he must pray so far as his incoming pastor, Adwuma Adepa, Abu Pentecost, sorry. Hey, where they were, good morning, Cosmos. In fact, this lives come, some people are so wicked. The lady is seeing another man. Why does the lady have guy and 2 kids doing this? And a number on her phone, Saber Sweet. The lady is not serious. She has been listening to bad advice from her friends. It's very painful that the one you love does not show any love and respect. So guys must. So the guy must leave her. God will help him to find another lady who can take care of his case and respect the guy. Right, Eunice sent in this one. Mama fuck calls. Me and Sample because your time no call. 0554820910. But I know why it's snap here, mommy. 0554820910. 0554820910. You're very snappy. My incoming also for Ohia Yamwa. You know, you're snappy, mommy. But you're frozen.
Hello.
Yes, dear, you're frozen. Right, I'm into you, Stephen. Hey, you can't so bad, huh? Yeah, go ahead.
My main country is say. You need not to judge or judge them as you get a on a good one now, or Baba not on a good area. No, she didn't know our own team. It was too noble. And about your
right, but that's it. You're frozen as a friend. Maybe I man is mommy frozen. Salome, ukasa wa fompa. Aha, afi meti yankasa. Right. I can't near or back kind of cheap. You're for us, a free. Asante Bacho, my deal.
I can't decide of story, but about better says when it's never there, the man on Friday. I am a man on yes, I don't know. It's no 7 man so suiting me trans in your say. A debate or the other banning here. And make I say, no, that's baby, you say, the young papa, and it's said, if you know about that. 12 years now, you want nothing to be no idea. I cannot be the first one to know. All right,
but that's Asante. You're first, as a free. Piao, maybe I try to saloon the Gambia, mammy. Right, mammy, too.
You, wait here, after me now. Yes, you give Kakla. Now, dear, Mimi Huno, Mimi points na me come. Me Huni said, young couple to flow beer, and also be so true beer. Obi o ekwensi bi o mu bia no o kam free no me sa mi hu no udi so ba na ekwensi bi o dai no